Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to make a timeline on ClickUp. Just go ahead and click on any of your project folder, and then you can click on the plus view icon right here. So once we click on this, I want you to scroll down. We can search up timeline here as well. So click on a timeline, and this is what a timeline currently looks like. You can easily go ahead and add your task. So let's say if I go ahead and click here, right, I can add a task, select the list. So do project 1 as a list. Name of the task is, let's say, shooting videos. And then we assign it to someone. Let's assign it to myself. We can go ahead and add custom fields, which you already have. For example, a deliverable due date, right? You can go ahead and mark the priority. Let's say it's a normal priority. Maybe the start date is, let's say, next week, Monday. Okay. And then the end date, let's go ahead and select Tuesday, the 13th of May. Then you can go ahead and save that. So it would go ahead and appear on your timeline as such, right? And at the end, guys, once you're happy, you can go ahead and save this. Okay. And if you ever want to go ahead and edit this further, you can just go ahead and click on this specific task. So if I come here, we are able to do more things, add relationship, create subtasks, checklist, add attachments, things like that. Okay, here you'll see all the unscheduled tasks, all of your overdue tasks as well. Really that easy and simple.